gotta get up. I know how I feel. I know how you might feel. I was sick yesterday. Down bad from headaches to pain aches. I still got up today. Yeah, I might be a little late. I might be a little behind, but I won't get left behind. 'Cause I know one thing. I gotta chase this dream no matter what. Even when it hurts. Even when I don't want to. I gotta get up and do what I gotta do. Even when I'm sick. Even when I'm drained, physically, mentally, and
Time 5 minutes. Distance 0.3 miles. Average pace 14 minutes 32 seconds per mile.
doing what I gotta do in order to get to where I gotta go. You gotta stay hard. Like God can say, stay hard and get your lazy ass up and go do what you gotta go do in order to get to where you're trying to go. You know my motto? Beast mode. Get active.